Hi, if you're new here, my name is Eliza and I'm based from the country where it's always sunny, the Philippines. I'm currently romanticizing my 20s and on today's episode of my life, I'll take you to my Pomeranian's first birthday.
Happy birthday, Leo!
His name is Leo, by the way. I will also be unboxing my dream laptop and will be taking you with me for a 5-day staycation at Marriott Hotel, Manila. We're here in Marriott Hotel. We are currently here at Whole Pet Kitchen, tapos we are buying yung cake ni Leo. Hindi ito yung kinuha namin kasi masyadong malaki. Ang liit lang naman ni Leo, tapos tatlo silang small dog. So yung liver na lang yung kinuha namin na po na 4.5 inches, 368 pesos na. Hi! Sama! Favorite tita? Tita Mira? Tita Jane? Tita Nana? Hi, Tita Mau! Tita Josh? Tita Josh? Party na work pa din? Eto, happy birthday po! Thank you po sa pag-imbita sa amin sa party niyong dalawa. Hi! Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog! Hi, chat!
Hi, chat!
Hi, chat!
Hi, Marikix! Hi, DJ! Face reveal!
Wow!
Pogi! Hello! Hi, Sama! Hi, Leo! Happy born day! With Leo's best tito!
na. Okay na.
Sarap ng kain niyo. Saki, kain na din.
Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy birthday! Ilan taon ka na?
Good boy. Good boy. Sit.
Done.
Good boy. Leo.
Try natin siya. Good boy.
Yan na nga, birthday boy.
Vlogger kasi.
Uy.
1.0 ka.
Sure na ba, Leo? Kunin na natin.
Meanwhile.
Oh, contact signing yan. Ayos ah.
Oh my God. Go, go, go.
What's up,
Happy birthday, Leo. Go eat. Good boy.
June ka.
I really like the samgyup kasi self-service siya. So, kuha ka na lang nung kaya mong amount. Siyempre, kailangan mo ubusin. Then, it doesn't only come with beef or pork. Meron din siya fried chicken and fries, mga ganyan. Unlimited din yung chapchae. Tteokbokki. And best of all is the fried rice. Kimchi stew. Hello! Thank you pa. I can see my happiness! Yay! good morning! So we are here in SM Mall of Asia para sa isang event pero we can't really tell kung ano yung brand niya. Tinatakpan ni Chan yung uniform and also nagpatong din ako ng cover up para safe tayo. But anyway, we're gonna be starting today ng 11 a.m. until naka-check-in na kami since yesterday dun sa Marriott Hotel. Check-out namin is on Saturday pa and today, Wednesday pa lang. Bawal pala ipakita yung booth, no? Mamaya na lang siguro after work or sa break na lang ulit. Finally, we are done sa work namin for today and time check, it's already 8:13 p.m. And ito yung wallpaper ko. Hulaan nyo kung sino yan. Ay, ang bata. Bumili sa Candy Corner. Ayan yung wallpaper ko kanina, guys. Laki na niya, oh. Cute! Bath bombs! It's our day 3 here in Marriott Hotel. Dito siya actually sa may Newport World Resorts, formerly known as Resorts World. Mag-isa lang ako today since pumasok si Chan sa work. Itatry ko i-maximize yung day na to by just editing some vlogs, going to the cafe by myself. I tried inviting sila mama tsaka yung tita ko, which is Tita Bebe. Sana pumunta siya. But I'm not sure. Sabi kasi nila mainit daw talaga today. So baka mag-solo date lang ako. Pero regardless naman, I'll try to be productive today. First time kong mag-i-edit ng video using the laptop. For sure, maninibago ako. But sana mas marami tayong ma-edit or mas mabilis tayong mag-edit kasi masanay talaga ako using my phone and yung iPad ng kapatid ko. Sana makapag-adjust ako and masanay na rin ako since simula ngayon, dun tayo mag-edit ng vlog. So yeah, maybe it's a solo date but maybe it's not. Let's see na lang how this day unfolds. Before heading out, gusto ko muna ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili ko kagabi dun sa 7-Eleven. Meron kasi ako nakitang cute na Chingo Cafe. I'll be trying yung vanilla latte, siguro tonight na lang. Tapos itong green grape aid, mahilig kasi si Chan sa mga something fruity, mga passion fruit, mga ganyan. So, I tried buying this for him. Siguro titikman na lang natin mamaya pag uwi niya din. And then, we have this Dutch made. Mahilig ako dyan sa chocolate drink na yan, simula college. Plus Kit Kat, of course, the xylitol. And then, thank you so much ulit kay Ate Jaja for this bubble milk tea mochi. Fresh from Taiwan yan nung pag-uwi niya, nung may BYD kami. Yun lang, share ko lang. So, I left a makeup room please na sign para pagbalik natin, fresh room na siya ulit. So, this is the Marriott Cafe. Parang ang dami pala masyadong tao. Parang meeting place siya. So, hanap pa tayo ng iba. Grabe tayong flyers. This place actually makes me feel kind of sad kasi this is where my brother and I reunited. Actually, we took some photos dito when he was still alive 2 years ago. For context, my brother was only 17 years old when he died. Last year ng November 29, 2024, and I was actually in Malaysia. Parang pagdaan ko dito, hindi ako makapaniwala na wala na pala talaga siya. Ganun lang pala yun. Parang 2 years ago lang magkasama kami dito. We even stayed sa Sheraton Hotel. Sorry. This is making me cry. So, I was actually looking for a cafe or restaurant na nag-o-offer ng sunset view. Pero apparently, wala daw. And I've realized na yung room ko nga pala na pinagsistayan, nakatapat dun sa sunset. So, bibili na lang ako ng kape, tapos babalik ako sa room para dun na lang ako mag-edit. Getting one iced caramel macchiato na venti, sobreve, yung max caramel drizzle na free. Upside down. Thank you. May. M-A-Y. Got my coffee fix. So, we're heading back to the hotel. Sana ma-enjoy natin yung sunset from there. This is their gym. Malaki pala siya. There are like 6 treadmills. Parang complete naman siya. This is their pool bar. It's nice. Wow, pasalubong naman from Thailand. Wow, thank you so much, Tita Baby. Mama. Wow, ganda. Parang anak mo yung nagbablog sa Vietnam. Parang ganyan din yung suot nun. Pangyabang, galing Thailand. Ganda mo, ma. Thank you. Try natin to pasalubong Tita Bebe. For the vlog, pandan flavored roll cake from Thailand. Sawadee-ka. Masiram. Tayo mo. It reminds me yung Regent, yung mga ube cake, mocha cake, pandan cake. Mas may flavor sa loob, may feeling. Feeling? 1, 2, yan. 1, 2, 3.
I just wanted to give side.
Hi guys! Welcome to my day 4 here in Marriott Hotel. Hanggang ngayon mag-isa pa rin ako pero last night nag-visit si mama, si daddy, tsaka ang tita ko, tsaka si Chan. I'm just preparing my clothes and I'm expecting a friend to come over. Parang mas gusto ko na lang na magstay dito sa hotel and i-maximize yung mga hotel amenities. Ang trip kong gawin ngayon is mag-bathtub actually. Relax lang for today. Also edit kapag may time. I hope you guys enjoyed yung vlog ko this morning kasi more on silent vlog ang atake natin. I'm just trying out different types of vlogs. So, tingnan na lang natin which I enjoy most. Hey guys, I'm back. So kakatapos ko lang mag-bathtub and I chose na hindi mag-makeup today since tomorrow work na naman, makeup mode na naman tayo. So pagpahingay naman natin yung skin. Also parang nagkakaroon ako ng breakouts dito sa may chin ko and I think it's hormonal. Break muna tayo sa paggamit ng mga cosmetics or ng makeup. I got this meal. Plum yung flavor niya. We're gonna try it. Grabe guys, nagulat ako. Ang laki pala na ito. For reference, ito yung kamay ko. Ang laki mas! Let's try it. Hello! Kamusta work?
Pagod ang first zone.
Napagod siya. Okay lang yan. Sleep na yarn. Diretso sleep na.
Ako muna.
Oh, ligo muna. Batap muna eh. Ikaw muna eh. Leo! Namiss kita, Leo! Hi guys! Nagpahinga muna ako and then time check now. It's already 6:15 p.m. and ang call time ko for my work is actually 7. So magbubuk na tayo ng angkas or joyride going to Poblacion kasi our event tonight is for the St. Patrick event. So alam ko i-close yung buong Poblacion. I don't think I'm gonna be bringing this anymore, yung mismong camera, and maraming tao doon for sure. So, maybe it's safer na iwanan na lang yung camera dito. Eto si Leo, kakagising niya lang from his nap. And sabi niya siguro, Mami, kakauwi mo lang tapos aalis ka na naman. But I'll be back and maglalalab tayo ng super dami because love na love kita in the whole wide world. Oh, say bye to the vlog na. Bye vlog! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in my mommy's YouTube channel. Bye! Hi! If you're new here, my name is Eliza and I'm based from the country where it's always sunny, the Philippines. I'm currently romanticizing my 20s and on today's episode of my life, I'm showing a glimpse of my weekly life as a freelance event model and host here in the Philippines.
Once again, my name is Eliza, your host.
Mag-aayos muna tayo.